Hi, my name is Milen Hristov and I'm a Bulgarian lawyer with 19 years of legal experience. In this video, I want to talk to you about the possibility of using AI in the legal research. What I have in mind is turning the unstructured text of the Bulgarian court decision into something useful and something which can be assessed, parsed, and analyzed by the lawyers. So let me show you what I have in mind. So this is the website of the District Court Varna, where you can see published all court decisions. Now, let me turn the English translation on so you have an idea what I'm talking about. You can see there's a really basic metadata in this list of decisions. So what you can see now is the type of the case. What type of case could be civil, it could be a criminal, it could be administrative, and so on. You can see the parties. If one of the parties is a physical person, their names are obfuscated because of GDPR. And you can see the judge name, and you can download the court decision as well. So I have downloaded here one of these decisions. In this particular one, you can see it's in PDF form. So it's really unstructured. Basically, they have typed the court decision and they have exported it through the court system into PDF so it can be downloaded. So it's really not that useful if you want to analyze it, except for doing it the old school way, just read the text and analyze it in your head. I'm exploring the opportunity and the possibility to actually put this court decision into an AI, and the AI can just extract whatever data I think it's useful for analyzing my client's cases. What I've done is basically got most of these decisions downloaded, and I had to convert them from PDF to a plain text format and then cleaning up the data. Later, after turning that into plain text, I've made a simple AI agent who just goes through the data and prints out a nice JSON format metadata, which can be later used in visualization of the data. So how this information can be used in analyzing court cases. So this is the output of the metadata, which I visualized using data and graph networks. So here you can see the names of the judges. The blue circles are the judges which are sitting in the administrative court of Varna, and the red dots are the judges which are sitting in the lower courts, which is Devnya, Provadia, and Varna regional courts. And all these links between the judges, basically the decisions which have been appealed and went from the first instance court to second instance court. And you can basically click on any judge and you can see all the cases which are appealed and the links between the higher court judge in blue and the red dot, which is the lower court judge. Now the links have two colors. One is green and the other one is red. And what it actually shows is the green link means that the higher court has upheld the court decision of the lower court. And if it's a red line, then it means that the higher court has reversed the decision of the lower court. So you can basically see if there's any statistical probability if you have a case with this particular judge, and if it's appealed and it goes to that particular judge on the higher court, And if you do the calculations, you can see statistically how likely is that judge to uphold or to reverse the decision of the first judge, of the first court instance judge. Obviously, you can't, you need to plug other variables in the equation. So the subject matter of the case has to be the same, and you can do some additional variable statistics. But that's one of the data you can plug into your equations and get a good statistics of how likely is your court case to succeed in the higher court, given these two judges are hearing your case. So another thing is you can see what the workload is of the particular judge, and if you go a bit deeper, you can try and see if particular judges are getting decisions heard of other particular judges from the lower instance court. So this data is really useful, and that particular graph here is only for I think 2003, and in just one jurisdiction in Bulgaria, and that jurisdiction is Varna Administrative Court. So there's a lot of useful information that can be obtained and extracted from unstructured data in the Bulgarian court decisions. So this is really useful, and I'm looking forward to applying this data into the actual court process and the actual litigation process. All right, thanks for listening to this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.